So when taking the back seats out, there's a lot I've got to figure out on how to do. Never really done it at this level before, done it in the Jeep and a few other vehicles, but this is a whole different beast. So I'm just gonna videotape me doing it, put some music to it, and go step by step and show you how I'm doing. These here, and then those there, all making up this entire back seat structure, holding it in place for crashes. So I've got this big breaker bar here, just a pipe. I'm gonna see if I can get some leverage and not have to kill myself. Let's go. Now the back seats on the bottom are fairly easy. They're held in by these little nuts right here. And these are just clamps that kind of go together. There's along, and that releases it from this bar. Now the back seat itself is a built-in rail system that is going to take a little bit of work, so I've got to play with that. And I'm not breaking these, they clip in, so it's just the clip coming loose. There we go. Okay, now the easy part's done. Let's dig into the back seats. The back rests. This is where we're going to get real challenging because it's a whole frame that's got to come out. So, good times. Killer bolts. I'm not this strong. These are looser than the other ones on the other side. The reason why these bolts are so hard is they're held in by some industrial strength lock nut blue stuff. I've never seen anything like it before, but then again, my first Grenadier. Alright, the center bolts here are probably the hardest because of how you got to get to them, having to sit on the console backwards and get into this. So got this breaker bar here to see if I can get a little more leverage and not have to work so hard, especially at this angle. Well, when you break tools, that's why I bought a box of about 5 of these. Why is it always one bolt that drives you nuts? This one bolt right here has already broken a bit, and I can't get it to budge. I've busted 2 fingers trying. Okay, about bruised some fingers, but I got the 2 center bolts out, and now it's all about the back bolts behind the seat.
Just got real.
So if you have any questions about how this project went, the tools we used, what we might do differently if we did it again, the process we went through, whatever, please hit me up in the comments. We're always, able to respond and help anybody out. But that's a wrap for this, and we'll see you in the next project.